right, guys, so Walmart has done it again, and I'm glad to be back. Let's check out the video. So we're into Walmart looking at the pool stuff, and I'm just loving what I see here. You know what? They got back to school supplies, some for 50 cents. We got tape for about roughly $1 and some change. And I tell you, you're going to be prepared for this school year. You will be. So they got so many cute little things to put on the desk. If you're a teacher, like me as well too, this will help you out. So they got the little locks and stuff for the kids' bikes, and they got the binders, and they have a lot of folders. Now, what I'm seeing here is a lot of supplies. So please, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And also, don't forget to buy all of the little things for your little kids or teenagers or anything like that. They got these adorable, cute little cups that have, like, you know, the utensils and stuff included. So this is very helpful, very easy to use. And some of the other stuff is only cheap. It's really cheap, only $1. Can you believe it? So they got the water bottles. So if you're in hot, sunny states like Florida or any time like that, this would be perfect. So now we're into the book bags. So this is what I'm saying. I love these book bags. They are stepping it up, y'all. Okay, so we got book bags that got the little poppets. And you know what? They got headphones included with some of these book bags. I just couldn't believe it. I'm like, when I was going to school, I did not have all this. So parents, you guys are really getting your 2 for 1. So they got Peppa Pig, they got a Maui, Moana, you know, they got Marvel characters, they got Minecraft, they got so many things. And let me tell you again, they have headphones attached to a lot of these book bags. Okay, so they have games here as well. So just keep in mind, all of these stuff is in the link in the description, or at least most of the items here. So we got the sunshade, you know, the sunglasses and stuff like that. So that's what I like. If you hear the baby in the background, you know, he's just having a good time too. So more book bags. These are perfect for the girlies. Okay, these are so cute. They got the little change. You know, they really decided to incorporate fashion into this book bag. So this is one of the things I am loving from Walmart. Very good. And this is one example here too. See, I'm loving this brand here. I'm going to put the name right in the description here. But they went into detail with the little notebooks, and they got the, you know, the paper clips. This is backpack activity set. Okay, so you got a lot of stuff going on. And here are the headphones that I was talking about. This is perfect for the boys. I love this. Really 2 for 1. Moms, dads, cousins, aunts, abuelos, abuelas. You don't even have to worry about buying the headphones separately because they're there. So this is a cute lavender purple book bag. Perfect with the cute little bow. You know, bows are trending right now for middle schoolers and, you know, kids and stuff too. So they have a variety of styles here. So we already know Walmart does the Reebok, so they took over for that as well too, and they're distributing some of their Reebok items. So they partner with Reebok, and it's so cool to see. So they have belts there. So for my girls and boys who need belts, they have that there as well. So let's keep going. Let's see what else we can find here. So let's get into a couple other things. So I know some people got parties and stuff like that in the same time with the school year. So the you know, Walmart, they got cheap, affordable party stuff. So cheaper than Party City, no shade, but a little shade is given. But anyway, let's keep going. All right, so I'm just going through the store, and I'm seeing like some, you know, cookware and stuff like that. Now, look, y'all, they got the slow cookers. This is perfect. They got the stuff for the breakfast to put your pancakes on, the griddles and stuff like that. Very, very good. Very convenient. You know, we have to do the washcloths and the wash rags and towels and stuff. More towels, more colors, more quality. This is what we like for Walmart, okay? So these are very affordable. They're going for maybe $3 to $6. It depends. And you know what? I was shopping for, you know, some stuff for the bathroom. So this is by Better Homes and Gardens. So it comes with the plunger and with the toilet bowl cleaner. I'm like, you know, you're getting 2 for 1. You know, when I bought it, I believe it was like around under $20, okay? So this towel, toilet bowl, and brush plunger set, it's really cool. $26. I know it was 20 something dollars, but really awesome. I just love what they have here. Very affordable. It goes straight to the point. But yeah, you guys, why not buy all of this stuff here all in one? You got good prices, you got really good deals, and you know what? You can't go wrong. But thanks. Tune in for the next video.